Hello. I started from two presentations. One is how do I become an SEO specialist. It has exactly 80 slides. And another presentation on some tips on on effective writing, not creative, effective. And this one has less than 80 slides. Okay. Using a tool, which I will show you right now, from FlexClip. This is the URL, this is the page. You just create an account, add some credits, and then you upload the presentation. And it has multiple steps. I will show you step by step. So first you log in or create an account, something like that, and then you have an option to choose from AI to PP to choose from PowerPoint or PDF to video. You upload the file. It asks you some basic things. You can set it to Romanian or English, and then it shows you a preview. Look, the software tells you, I've done this one. Do you agree with the content I created? You can edit and so on. And you can edit, as I told you, you can edit each text that the AI has. You can personalize the voice in which the voice which speaks the text. You can add various effects. It asks for some credits, of course. It takes a while to create the video. It will render it. I don't know, 20 minutes for 80 slides PowerPoint. I think it's okay. You can, of course, do other things because it runs in the background. And at the end, you have a presentation with lots of slides and sounds and so on. You just need to export it at full HD recommended, and just share it on various channels. And you can see in my article that the videos I created. You can see the video I created with the tool. I put them on two different sites, on YouTube and Dailymotion. Hope you like it. Cheers.